Hey guys, it's Hende here, and today I want to make a video on an unboxing and first impressions of this drone. So it's a full speed Bat-100 1S, and it's a brushless drone, and I just thought we could unbox it on camera. So here we go. Now I ordered this from Banggood, and if you wanted it yourself I'll leave a link in the description. And it's quite cheap for a 1S, but let's get into it. So as you can see, we get the drone itself, a battery and some propellers. So let's just dive in here. And here we just have a battery, what is it, 500 milliamp 1S obviously, and that is a 30C, just a GST2 connector I think on it, and some rubber bands for attaching it. So we'll put that to the side. Next we have some propellers, quite a few propellers actually. That looks about 8 maybe? Yeah, probably 8, so if you crash it and break them you'll have some spares. Just dual blade, nothing too special there. And next we have the drone itself. So this is a bit hard getting out actually, it's a bit tight in here. There we go. So as you can see, this is actually the new model of the drone. The old model had red motors, these ones have blue, and that is because these ones are not an updated model and they actually have bearings inside. The previous ones didn't have bearings inside, so this one technically should be a better flight and more smooth and have more efficiency. So let's take a closer look at what this quad's all about. So if we take a closer look here, we can see we've got 4 brushless full speed motors here, and they look really high quality. I haven't given it a try yet, but I'll be doing that soon. We've also got the video transmitter with the camera built in here, and here's a lens cap. Let me just take that off so we can actually see the lens. There we go. And that looks a pretty good system, and you can see the aerial up here. And that's actually attached using a looks like a 3D printed mount, which is quite neat. That's nice and light. It'd be nice if they actually gave us the files in case that broke, but I'll check with that. Moving along, we can see that there's the power distribution board on the bottom, and then the flight control on the top. And it has built-in ESCs into these boards. So there's no ESCs on the arms or anything, just the wires, which looks really neat. And then that's about it. Oh, one more thing, there's actually a buzzer on the top, so you could allocate this buzzer to, let's say, an auxiliary switch or something. So if you did lose your quad, you could just flick that on and you should be able to hear it. So that's about it with this quad. The only other 2 things are these 2 little notches here. And so they are used to put your battery here, and then you put a rubber band over the top, and I'll just show you how to do that now. What we have to do, just take the battery that is given in the pack and a rubber band like so, and put it around here and over the back like that, and that should be able to. It doesn't seem very strong though. Maybe it's meant to go, That does not look very strong. Okay, maybe if we try this. So I've doubled up the rubber band here, and I'll put it over. It's a bit fiddly, but this should give us, there we go, that's much better. So all I've done is doubled up the rubber band, so done it twice, and yeah, that's not going anywhere. And so all then you'd have to do is just plug it in like that, and you are set to go. You might want to adjust the battery and its whereabouts just to get the balance correct. But yeah, I currently don't actually have a charger for the JST batteries, so I'm just waiting for that to arrive. But once it does, I'll make a video. But while I'm doing that, I'm actually going to have to solder on a receiver, because this quad does not come with a built-in receiver. So I've got myself a just an FR Sky receiver here. Now, in hindsight, it looks a bit big, but I think what I might have to do is remove the buzzer, because I never normally use buzzers, so I might remove the buzzer and actually fit it on top here. Or the other option is slotting it into this gap here, which may work. So I'll just give that a try, and I'll be back to you once it's done.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.